Let's bring you back to the country and focus on that stalemate that is currently being witnessed in the education sector. Teachers insisting on a 50 to 60 pay increase that was awarded to them by the courts. Kenya's Ministry of Education has defended its directive to close both private and public schools over the ongoing teachers' strike. The ministry says it took the decision since the strike had disrupted harmony and uniformity that must exist in the management and delivery strategy of the 844 curriculum across board. Private primary and secondary schools run on the same curriculum as public primary and secondary schools. In a statement, the ministry said there was nothing sinister in its actions, and that's why the directive, which has since been overruled by the court, did not affect schools running international curriculum. It further says it revised the terms to safeguard the security of the learners, staff and school property.